Okay, so in this question, we're looking at a bag full of small marbles. Okay, a quarter of the marbles in the bag, so we've got our bag here. Okay, a quarter of them are green. So a quarter of them are going to be green marbles. An eighth, okay, 1/8 are going to be blue. Okay, 1/12 are yellow. Okay, yellow. And then you have 26 more marbles that are white. Okay, we want to know how many of these marbles are going to be blue. All right, so you're going to have to do a few steps here in order to find out the answer to this problem. Okay.
Okay, so for this problem, the first thing I need you to do is I need you to find the lowest common denominator of 4, 8, and 12. Okay, once you've found the lowest common denominator of those three values, I would like you to add those three fractions together. So find the lowest common denominator and then add those three fractions together. Pause the video and do that now for me. Okay, so we know that our lowest common denominator is 24. What we need to do now is find an equivalent fraction for each that has a denominator of 24. What I'm going to do is I'm going to write those up, and what we need to actually do is add those three fractions together. So we're going to have to multiply this fraction by 6, so this fraction will become 6 over 24. This fraction here we're going to have to multiply by 3, that's going to become 3 over 24. And our final fraction we're going to have to multiply by 2 in order to get a fraction with a denominator of 24, and if we multiply 1 by 2 we get 2. Okay, now adding these three fractions together is as easy as adding the numerators. So 6 plus 3 is 9 plus 2 is 11, so we have 11 out of 24. So we know that 11 out of 24 accounts for the green, the blue, and the yellow marbles. So what we need to do is work out the remainder, okay, of the whole. So the remaining part here is going to be 13. So 13 out of 24. So if we add 11 and 13 together, we get 24. 24 over 24, that's going to account for all our marbles, so our green, our blue, our yellow, and our white. So we know that 13 out of 24, that is our 26 white marbles. So what we're going to do now is we're going to use this fraction, so our 13 out of 24, to work out how many marbles there are per one part. So if we divide 26 by 13, we get 2 marbles per part, okay? Now we know that there's 24 parts in total, so how many marbles is there going to be in total? Maybe you can work that out now. So we know that there's 2 marbles per part and there's 24 parts in total. So in order to work out the total number of marbles, what we do is we multiply 2 by 24. So 2 multiplied by 24 is 48. So we have 48 marbles in total, okay? Now the problem's not asking us to find how many marbles we have in total, it's asking us to find how many blue marbles we've got. Now we know that the fraction of marbles that are blue is 1 out of 8, okay? So what we need to do is we actually need to divide 48 by 8, and that will tell us how many blue marbles are in this bag of marbles. So 48 divided by 8 is 6, so we have 6 marbles that are blue, okay? Now this is one way of working out this particular problem. There are lots of different ways. If you come up with a different method of coming to this solution, please let me know, okay? Good luck, guys.